Here's a DeSoto to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. Take a look at this one. 1959 DeSoto Firesweep Sportsman. 4-door hardtop, as you can see. No B-pillar. How cool is that? 361 V8 underneath the hood. Also nicely equipped with a push button. Automatic transmission. Power steering. Power brakes. Let's take a close look at this front bright work. The headlight surrounds, grille, bumper. Paint shows well on this one. If you want to take a look at the still pictures, you'll be able to see this from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now for the DeSoto experts out there. Those wheels appear to be spoked DeSoto wheels, but were they available on this particular model and year, or is it a little earlier wheel? Seems like it'd be about a 56, give or take. If you know the answer to that, go ahead and put it down in the comments. We'd appreciate it. Either way, good looking wheel, white wall radials. And you can see as far as color, two-tone, we have the Aztec silver, metallic more on the top, and then of course that center stripe between the bright work, and bright work shows well down the side, and then glacier blue metallic, which were two DeSoto colors, I believe, back in 1959. Interior is a blue with cloth and vinyl combination. That center armrest is temporary. That can come in and out. It's not permanent, but works out handy if you're looking for an armrest in a bench seat car. Rest of the dash, very stock. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I'll show you a couple other things that are going to go with this, as well as some more things in the trunk. This right here is a framed brochure opened up to the page where it has the Firesweeps on it. This here is the actual original owner's manual and some warranty information that have been framed. I'm going to go ahead and send those with the car. Let's take a look at this rear chrome. Of course, 59, great year for the fins. Really in quite a few different models. You'll love the 3 taillights on this with the backup lights in the center. Turn signals incorporated into that. Let me pop this trunk quick. All right. In the boxes, there's a couple other trunk mats. You can see a 59 DeSoto license plate. Looks like we have some, that would be the end for the spark plugs, and for the distributor, want to do up your own spark plug wires is for each end. DeSoto cap, there's some engine paint, a little decorative show sign for a 59 DeSoto, a couple of the spare tire covers, and that is a car seat cover, just so you're aware of that. I'll leave those things in the trunk, and we'll also put the display pieces in there too. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through all those still pictures. When we pop the hood, you're going to see that this car does have a new aluminum radiator. Brake hoses were also recently done. Let's take a look down this passenger side also quick here. Once again, paint shows well. I haven't noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Now, there may be a small imperfection or blemish here or there, but overall, great car to take to your roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. And as you can see, the seat belt's intact in the rear. Door panels. Now, there was a couple spots. There's some wear in the seats. I wouldn't be surprised if these are original seats. Maybe another thing for the DeSoto experts. You can tell by this pattern if these are original or not. A little wear right there. A little wear there. As far as the equipment on the interior, I have had the wipers work. Radio working. Blower fan working. Horn. We're going to go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Now, as far as the odometer, reads 65,550. Previous owners believe that's original miles. I can't confirm or deny it due to the fact that once a car is so old, it does not stay on the title. They are marked exempt. So let's go ahead and fire this up. As you can see, the fuel gauge popped up there too to about a quarter. Here's the fuel gauge is working. Of course, here's that push button automatic transmission. Want to go in reverse, push the R in, back to neutral. Very cool. And of course, there's a park brake down here. Like I said, I did have the radio working earlier. We were in a building. I was outside then too, but radio does work. I'm not going to get the reception inside here, and you do need to pull the antenna up. The antenna was pushed down, but I have had the radio working. Great location for the rear view mirror. How cool is that? Rest of the dash looking pretty stock. I'm going to slip around here. It's easy to pull this antenna up. I will show you that that radio does work. We'll take a look underneath the hood too. So let's get this antenna pulled up. See if we can get reception in here. Like I said, I did have it working. Show you that at the end. How's that sound? Alright, I love this hood latch setup on this. So right here, pushes back, and right on top of it is the hood latch. Hood liner appears to be new. Speaking of new, there's that aluminum radiator I was talking about. Other than that, nice, clean, tidy engine bay. And 361 V8 paired up with that automatic transmission. And of course, we have power steering, power brakes. That engine doesn't even shake in there. Look how smooth that runs. And you gotta like these old windshield washer bags. Jiffy Jet. Let's take a peek at this radio again real quick, see if I can find a station. May have to let it warm up just a tad. I turned it all the way off, but I'd like to show you that it's working. There we go. And again, we're indoors, so I don't get the greatest reception, but I at least want to show you that it was working. 1959 DeSoto Firesweep Sportsman and the 4-door hardtop. Gotta love it. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also, stick around to the very end of this. We're going to take this car for a quick drive, see what it's like going down the road.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1959 DeSoto Firesweep. Now this is a car I bet you haven't seen in a while. If you've seen it at all, DeSotos are a little fewer and far between. This one in amazing condition. Those long beautiful back fins looking good. This is an automatic push button on the dash on the left side. One of those awesome speedometers that feels like a mercury tube with a bright neon green color, switching to orange as you get faster, and I suspect if you get a little too fast it might change red, like that. Very cool. That's 55 miles an hour right there. Nice acceleration in this car and smooth ride. Factory fuel gauge right here showing less than half of a tank. the factory temperature gauge a little over a third of the way up, which is looking good. Speedometer, of course, looking awesome. The windshield wipers are working. The factory looking radio is picking up AM very good, and the blower motor working, throwing some heat on this winter day. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Nice, large 1959 American car. Nice quiet ride. It sounds very stock, very factory. Corners as it should for a 59 full-size car. Pushing that pedal down, it did kick down, so the transmission kick down is working well. That big car horn sounds great. What a beautiful car. Very nice bench seat. Blue on blue car. If you want to take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this, DeSoto at uniqueclassiccars.com.